Alright guys, so this is day 2. I'm just going to be quiet. It's 3 o'clock, a little bit after 3, almost 4. Finally the wind has died, finally. The leaves are a little bit crunchy, which is good. So it should give me a little bit of an idea if anything's coming. I brought the 4-wheeler up here this time, mostly because I'm tired. We'll see what happens. It's a lot faster, a lot easier on the body if I can bring the 4-wheeler up here. Plus, if I do kill something, I could just drag it right back down. I got rope and winches and all that other stuff, and then do the deed. Right now I'm just going to be super quiet, let the sun go down, and see if anything comes around. Again, there's 4 doe and 1 buck, and maybe 1 black bear. We'll see if they come around. Alright, so wish me luck. Alright guys, I'm back at the cabin. Really exciting night. I had 2 huge does come up to my location, which was at the stand. And again, it's one of those things where you never know where they're going to come up. They actually walked right by the 4-wheeler. Okay, so remember again before I said careful about where you put those pieces of equipment. Well, that piece of equipment did get spotted. They snorted right away. I didn't know there was 2. I thought there was 1 at first, and then I found out there was 2 of them. So very, very big. They spotted me, I spotted them. Immediately I pulled up my rifle just to see if it was a doe. I figured it was a doe, so there are no shoot does in this area. So I said, all right, we're not gonna shoot them, but I tried to get some video, so hopefully I got some video for you guys. I am cooking dinner. I just cleaned up. It is beautiful, beautiful day. I think it was a great day. And again, I want to show you some of the awesome features of this beautiful cabin. Okay, so this is a hunter's cabin. All right, beautiful woodwork, heads everywhere. All right, and it is a fantastic place. Also, I am solo, so I am very lucky to have someone that will allow me to come up here and to use their land. I got a little bit of chow cooking. All right, this is lentils, jalapeno, a little bit of sausage, and some tomatoes in there. That is going to be a very, very hearty soup. And I got my bread ready to go, and I also got my soda pop ready to go. All right guys, so that's pretty much it for now. Thank you very much guys. As always, please like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. It really does help the algorithms. I'm going to continue on, and hopefully I'll get something. If I don't worry, I'm coming back in November, so hopefully I'll see you guys then. All right guys, as always, stay safe.